Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your OnePlus Nord 3. So to start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when try to visit inside, that means you have notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm going to show you the first method. In the first tab, open the settings, go to the apps and tap on the app management. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it and install by this button. Then go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Tap on the storage usage, manage space and choose clear all data. Tap on the OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so you can launch it now, and in this application tap on the green circle and choose the OK. Allow permissions to the files, go back to the app, and after the scanning process all of the unwanted software shall be removed from your phone. And this how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.